Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I'm going to show you yet another edge tutorial, and if you want to see all my other edges, then go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel page. So today I'll show you how to do this edge. We are doing some shells, so it's just a regular shell edge, but just with beads on the bottom. The first thing we do when we are working with an edge with pearls, that is to grab our tapestry needle and then slide on all the beads you want. So just grab some beads and slide it on your yarn, as many beads as you think you will going to need. It's better to put on too many than too few. I'm just doing a small sample right now, so I will not be putting on more than this. But now you take off your tapestry needle, throw that one away, and then find your hook. And then you work one row with single crochet. And if you want to work one row around a blanket or whatever piece you are doing an edge on, that's alright. Just work one row of single crochet. I expect that you know how to do single crochet, so I'm just doing a row right now. But you will just work and then you will slide the beads on like this. Just push them away each time you get to them. Now I worked my first row of single crochet, so now I want to turn. So I chain one, turn the work, then I skip the chain and work a single crochet in the first stitch. And this edge works best in multiples of 5. So the first thing, we skip the first 2 single crochet, or the next 2 single crochet. So this one and this one, we skip these 2. Then in the third single crochet from the hook, we work 2 double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook in the third single crochet and double crochet. And then another double crochet in the same stitch. So that's 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then we chain 2. So 1, 2. Then we place a bead. So we find our first bead down here. Slide it up. Then we do a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. So we just work 2 chains. This was the first, this is the second. So we do 1 slip stitch in the second one. And then another 2 double crochet in the same stitch down here. So just yarn over, insert the hook and work 2 double crochet to this stitch on the bottom. And then we skip the next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and then work a single crochet in the third. And that's it. Now we have our first shell bead stitch. Let's do it again. We skip these 2, next one. Then in the third stitch, we do a double crochet. Then another double crochet in the same stitch. Then we chain 2, 1, 2. Then we place a bead, work 1 slip stitch in the second chain. Can be a bit tricky. And then we make another 2 double crochet in the stitch down here, just where we work the other 2 double crochet. And then skip the next 2 stitches and work a single crochet in the next. And that's how we do it. And then when you're all the way across, you have this beautiful edge. This is beautiful, right? So that's how you do it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!